Asiainsurance, a legacy of excellence. Asiainsurance was founded by Mr. Chin Sopong Panik, a visionary entrepreneur born in 1910. With a strong social conscience, Mr. Chin recognized the surge in trading activities between Hong Kong, China, and Southeast Asia after World War II. He understood the commercial and strategic potential of Hong Kong during this pivotal time. His elder son, Robin Chen, was born in Shantou, China, in 1931. Mr. Chin co-founded Bangkok Bank in Thailand in 1944, and it subsequently became one of the largest banks in Southeast Asia. In 1946, he was invited to invest in the Hong Kong and Macau Commercial Bank, which was later renamed as the Commercial Bank of Hong Kong, and subsequently Asia Commercial Bank. He spent a considerable amount of time in Hong Kong, opened the first branch of Bangkok Bank in the city in 1954, and invested in various businesses along the way. In 1947, Mr. Chin founded Asiainsurance Company Limited in Bangkok. It was subsequently renamed Bangkok Insurance Company Limited in 1964. In 1959, Mr. Chin, together with over 50 founding shareholders who shared a common vision, heritage and dialect from Chaozhou and Fujian, co-founded Asiainsurance Company Limited in Hong Kong. Their extensive network in Southeast Asia significantly contributed to the company's growth and influence. The company was launched with an initial capital of 2 million Hong Kong dollars. Mr. Chin served as the chairman, and Wong Sik Pan served as the first CEO. Among the shareholders were Zheng Mintian, founder of Overseas Trust Bank, and Ma Chek-man, one of the founders of Hong Kong and Macau Commercial Bank. In the early days of Asiainsurance, the office was located at Bonham Strand West, Sheung Wan, and its main business was fire and marine insurance. Robin Chen was appointed Managing Director of the Commercial Bank of Hong Kong. Lau Ki-chit was subsequently appointed the second CEO of Asiainsurance. In 1971, Asiainsurance became a partner of Central Asia Insurance in Indonesia. Tokai Bank from Japan became a shareholder of the Commercial Bank of Hong Kong. Asiainsurance became the first local insurance company to go public in Hong Kong, and in 1973, it became the first Hong Kong insurance company to establish an office in Macau, focusing on banking referrals, such as servicing clients' insurance needs from Overseas Trust Bank, Sanham Bank, and Pacific Bank. Its investment policy and partnerships have consistently defined the business development trajectory. Continental Corporation from the United States became a shareholder of Asiainsurance. Continental Corporation subsequently became CNA Financial Corporation. In 1979, together with Indonesia's Central Asia Insurance, Thailand's Bangkok Insurance, and Asiainsurance Singapore, they invested in Traders Insurance and Surety Company, later renamed Asiainsurance Philippines, providing general insurance services in the Philippines. By 1981, it became the first Hong Kong insurance company to expand into Taiwan and establish an office there. Mr. Chin's contributions were internationally recognized when he won the Global Outstanding Banker Award in 1982 by a financial banking magazine. Time magazine called him Thailand's #1 tycoon. Robin Chan appointed chairman and managing director of the Commercial Bank of Hong Kong. Mr. Chin retired from the business in 1986. Robin Chan was elected chairman of Asiainsurance. In 1988, Mr. Chin passed away, leaving a legacy to his 7 children. Chiyoda Fire and Marine Insurance from Japan became a shareholder in Asiainsurance. In 1990, Asiainsurance merged with the Commercial Bank of Hong Kong to form Asia Financial Holdings. It maintained its listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and the Chan's family as the major shareholder. Asiainsurance entered the mainland China market, becoming the first Hong Kong insurance company to set up a representative office in Shenzhen. Asia Financial developed the corporate identities of Asiainsurance and Asia Commercial Bank. As a result, both brands became synonymous with reliability and innovation, supporting their market's development and attracting a diverse clientele across the region. Asiainsurance received an A- rating from Standard & Poor's. K.H. Wong was appointed as its 3rd CEO. Asiainsurance partnered with different life insurance companies to provide non-life insurance services. In 1999, Asia Commercial Bank and 9 local banks established a bank consortium trust to offer MPF schemes. Asiainsurance also became one of the 3 approved reinsurers of the Hong Kong Mortgage Corporation at inception. As Asiainsurance entered into 2000s, it continued to seek collaborations with industry leaders to provide new products and services, offering more comprehensive and sophisticated protection for customers, including reinsurance, professional liability insurance, life insurance, etc. Not only in Hong Kong, we also continued deepening cooperation with industry elites worldwide and in the Asian region. In 2002, Asiainsurance partnered with the People's Insurance Company of China to establish a joint venture named the People's Insurance Company of China, Hong Kong. The following year, it collaborated with Cambodia's Ministry of Economy and Finance and other financial institutions to establish Cambodia Reinsurance. People's Insurance Company of China invited Asia Financial, Bangkok Bank, and Sumitomo Life Insurance to establish PICC Life in China. Standard & Poor's upgraded Asiainsurance insurer financial strength ratings and insurer credit ratings to A, and its capital increased to 2 billion Hong Kong dollars. Sompo Japan Insurance became a shareholder in Asia Financial. Winnie Wong became the fourth CEO of Asiainsurance, leading the company to new heights. In 2019, Asiainsurance and Hill House Capital jointly established Hong Kong's first virtual general insurance company, Avo Insurance, with 2 Sigma joining as a third shareholder in 2020. Bernard Chen was appointed as the chairman of Asiainsurance. Aoi Nisei Dowa Insurance, Bangkok Bank, Sompo Japan Insurance, and Claremont Capital Holdings remain significant shareholders of Asia Financial. 65 years later, Hong Kong continues to present a wealth of potential. While the opportunities may differ from those that inspired our founder, Mr. Chin Sopong, the city remains a vibrant commercial and cultural hub. Asiainsurance continually adapts to today's rapidly changing world and remains steadfast in its commitment to its core values and principles. It consistently seeks to enhance its product offerings and services to support its valued customers. As the company embarks on the next chapter of its journey, it remains committed to fostering a brighter future for all. Reflecting its progressive and visionary heritage, the company will continue to combine innovation with integrity to ensure a sustainable future and remains grateful for the support of all those involved.